Why is it that 50% of U.S. citizens claim there's no evidence that climate change is currently affecting our world? The evidence is all around us. We need to face the facts now. We don't have time to wait. How does industry add to climate change? Factories and cars both produce nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and volatile organic compounds. When these react with UV rays from sunlight in the atmosphere, they create tropospheric ozone, not to be confused with stratospheric ozone, which is produced naturally. As the greenhouse gas hits the atmosphere, it heats up the overall temperature of the planet, which increases the amount of O3 being created, causing a majorly harmful feedback loop. This nitrous oxide is released each time you start your car, each time you fly, commute to school, work, or even just down the block. 56% of NOx and 45% of VOCs come from motor vehicles. Already, 130 million people in the U.S. are living in areas that exceed the National Ambient Air Quality Standard. Due to heightened air pollution, lung disease has increased by 12% and overall deaths have increased by 2%.
I have asthma. I get really sad because I can't play with my friends.
The more ozone produced, the hotter the planet will become, which will greatly increase the production of ozone, leading to an increase in global temperatures. Due to climate change caused by tropospheric ozone, combined with the increased natural disasters, rising sea levels, and droughts, agriculture alone loses an estimated $11 to $18 billion value annually from crop damage.
Extreme drought, extreme rainfall, of a new weather paradigm.
Sadly, it's not just our farms that are being affected. 1 in every 6 animal species are facing extinction due to the rising temperatures and natural disasters. This alters Earth's ecosystem, which plays important roles in the many natural processes that structure this planet. Ice caps, one of Earth's natural structures, are melting at a faster rate than ever before. As ice caps melt, animals lose their habitats and sea levels continue to rise. Global sea level has already risen by about 8 inches since 1880. It is projected to rise another 1 to 4 feet by 2100. Economically, the effects are visible across the whole planet, yet vulnerable countries see the devastating effects of climate change on a more destructive level. From Hurricane Katrina alone, over $40 billion in claims were filed and the economy faced a serious downfall. The need for healthcare has dramatically increased as well. In fact, between 2030 and 2050, 250,000 deaths each year are expected from the harsh effect of climate change. Health bills and the need for increased health insurance is on the rise. It's not just your health, but your wallet that is affected. So how can we fix this? Carpool to work or school, take public transportation when possible, and shop at used clothing stores to avoid purchasing from large industries. Avoid idling in your car and don't leave your engine running at drive-thrus. By educating the people around you and making conscious choices, you can make a difference.